What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. And soon Google released the source of Android 12. We have the first Android 12 custom ROM available for OnePlus 5. There are few more devices which have the support of Android 12 custom ROM. You guys can check out the description below for your particular device. At the end of video, I'll also show you how to install it on your OnePlus 5. So here you can see this is my OnePlus 5 on which I have installed Android 12 custom ROM. Let me show you the software information first. And here you can see Android version is Android 12. Security patch is of 5th October 2021. If you guys have been watching my previous videos wherein I have shown you guys about the GSIs of Android 12, there we had lots of issues related to calling services, VoLTE, Bluetooth. But when it comes to custom ROM, you won't find much of issues. Right now these builds are in early stages. So you might see some issues or bugs and also some missing features. So here is the benchmark results on my OnePlus 5 running Android 12 custom ROM. And this is an AOSP ROM wherein single core have scored 340 and the multi-core have scored 1360. I wasn't able to perform AnTuTu benchmark test due to some issues. So the basic stuff works fine, like calling. As you can see here, I've called up to 198 and the calling services seems to be working fine on this custom ROM. No issues to be seen with any kind of sensors like accelerometer, light, proximity, magnetometer, compass and gyroscope. So talking about the launcher on this ROM, we don't get to see Pixel Launcher pre-installed. I've also tried sideloading the APK of Pixel Launcher, but that did not work out. And here we get to see Quick Step Launcher on this Android 12 custom ROM. Along with that, here I am not even able to replace the Google search bar. I mean, this is a Google search bar but an outdated one. As said, these are very early stages, so wait for few more builds and hopefully we might get to see stable Android 12 custom ROMs. So this is the quick setting panel where we have all the basic stuff what we have seen till now on Android 12. And if you long press on the home screen, you can see the pop-up after long pressing has this rectangular shape. But on Android 12, we get to see the rounded corners. When it comes to camera, we have a basic AOSP camera application pre-installed, and here no issues with the camera application or camera module. If I trigger alert slider, it do work, but I'm not sure whether there's an issue with my alert slider or it's within software. Because when I completely push the alert slider towards the top side, it goes to the silent mode, and when I bring it in between or the center, I just can feel the vibration but no icon in the status bar. All the three physical buttons works fine, including fingerprint unlock. In the app drawer, we have an option of extra settings which includes few settings from OnePlus like DC dimming feature, enable pocket mode and things like show VoLTE and Wi-Fi icon in the status bar. Also we have an option to enable call recording. Now inside the settings here, both the Wi-Fi bands are working fine, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Also as said earlier, on GSI images we had lots of issues related to Wi-Fi calling and Bluetooth services, but on this custom ROM you won't find any kind of issues related to VoLTE services, Wi-Fi calling or Bluetooth. So if you go to the SIM section here, you can see we have the option of VoLTE and Wi-Fi calling. I've also tested this device pairing with my Realme Buds Air 2 and the sound quality was perfectly fine with zero disconnection and latency issues. Adaptive brightness I think requires a little bit of optimization. Dark mode seems to be working great on this custom ROM. Also no issues with the auto rotation feature. No issues to be seen with the off-screen gestures like double tap to wake. Fingerprint scanner is pretty fast and you get to see the same unlocking speed what we have seen on Oxygen OS. We have the wallpaper and style section in the settings panel, and at last under system we have few gestures, but there's lots of stuff what we have seen on Pixel devices and that's still not been added on custom ROMs. I'm not complaining, but I know in future updates we'll for sure get to see more add-ons on custom ROMs. And guys, right now I won't be suggesting you guys to flash Android 12 custom ROM in early stages. If you're using your device as a primary phone, then I won't recommend you. But for testing purpose, if you guys want, you can just download the files from the description below and give it a try to Android 12 custom ROM. And now let's talk about the installation process. So every device will have almost similar installation process. Few additional steps must be required. So in this video, I'm installing it on my OnePlus 5. So the same method can be used on OnePlus 5 or 5T. To install, first of all, you need to have your device bootloader unlocked, and after that you should also have a custom recovery. I'll leave the recovery files of OnePlus 5 series in the description below. You can download from there and install custom recovery on your OnePlus 5 or 5T. So here on my OnePlus 5, I'll be using Orange Fox recovery. You just need to install this recovery and after that copy these three files. One is the AOSP custom ROM based on Android 12 and you also need the firmware of Oxygen OS. So I'll leave the link of firmwares 2 in the description below for both 5 and 5T. And at last, make sure you use the Flame Google apps instead of any other Google app package. So download these 3 files. After that, what you have to do is go to delete, wipe section, select everything excluding internal storage. Swipe to wipe. Once done, go back, and now you need to flash the firmware file first. Swipe to confirm flash. After that, flash the AOSP custom ROM. Once the ROM is flashed successfully, go back and now flash the Flame Google app package. And now we have successfully flashed the Android 12 custom ROM on a OnePlus 5. Just tap on reboot and your device should hardly take 3 to 4 minutes to boot up. If it doesn't boot up, just forcefully reboot the device using the power key. Long press and hold the power key for few seconds. The device will automatically boot up. Here you can see the Android 12 boot animation on our OnePlus 5. And there we go, our device have been successfully booted into Android 12. Just complete the initial setup and you'll be good to go. So guys, this was a quick look on the first Android 12 custom ROM for OnePlus 5. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.